Looking for large quantity wholesale OEM bicycles? Choose us. Experience matters, our expertise in bike manufacturing over 10 years. We V-crafted bikes. Your success is our mission. Trust us, the pros. Quality price, best of both worlds at our OEM bike factory. Top quality, unbeatable prices. We make high-grade bikes affordable. Your budget, our priority. On-time delivery, never miss a deadline with us. We eat deadlines. Always on time, never late. Your schedule, our commitment. For business leaders and new bike brand visionaries, we're your partner. Need bulk orders? We deliver. OEM, ODM projects. Easy for us. Your dreams, our craftsmanship. Our factory, your advantage. We manufacture excellence. From design to delivery, flawless execution. Your standards, our excellence. Why choose us? Simple. Experience, quality, price. We understand your needs. Your challenges, our solutions. Together, let's ride towards success. Don't settle. Get more. With us, you get it all. Bikes that sell, profits that grow. Your goals, our dedication. Contact us today. Let us build your future, one bike at a time. Your journey, our support. Welcome to the family. Your success story starts here.